Welcome to the What's Cooking channel. Today we're doing our first overnight cook on our Primo Grill. An 11-pound bone-in pork shoulder. Watch as we set up the grill for a 17-hour extended cook. Stick around to the end of the video and we're going to have a discussion on our experience using the Primo Grill to smoke this pork shoulder. We decided to start a little on the early side around 7 o'clock. We set up the grill, used the deflector plates, did a very low and slow setup, stabilized the grill, and then we also filled the firebox with apple and hickory chunks.
The rub consisted of dark brown sugar, chili powder, paprika, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, dry mustard, and cumin. See you tomorrow. It's time to open it up and put the thermometer in and see where the temperature is at. It's been cooking since almost 8 o'clock last night. It is now 110. Oh, look how nice that looks. So we're gonna stick this in right here. We're gonna close it. Let's see, it says we're at 182 degrees, so we still have some time to go. Time to take it off. And we're gonna go wrap it up in foil.
Wow, that is a 21-hour cook. 21 hours. Okay. Bark looks good. Homemade barbecue sauce, vinegar-based coleslaw, roasted potatoes, and roasted asparagus. Well, I would say we have a pretty good amount of charcoal left. I would say we have a pretty good amount of wood left as well. 21 hours. What I enjoyed most about this pork shoulder was the applewood smoke that we infused it with, that sweet smoke, paired very well with the vinegar-based homemade barbecue sauce. And I really appreciated that. And I also think the side dishes that you made really accented it perfectly. The homemade coleslaw, vinegar-based, was delicious.
Yes, I had some surprises. One is the length of time that it took. It took 19 hours from start to finish, when I expected it to take 17 hours. And the amount of charcoal that was used. The grill was so efficient in the amount of charcoal. When I opened up that grill after to see how much charcoal was left, I couldn't believe how much was left. It burned so efficiently.
If I were to do it differently next time, I think I would invite more people over. Apparently 11 pounds of pork shoulder makes for lots of leftovers. I think we're a family of 4. We certainly could have fed a family of 8 and still had leftovers.
The next time I cook a pork shoulder, I would probably set it up and start cooking a little earlier, make a little bit of a longer cook. We cooked it to 196 degrees, and I really wanted to get it to 201 degrees. So I've read that it's a little moister and more tender if it's cooked to 201. But so that's what I would do differently.
We waited a long time to make a pork shoulder, primarily because of how long of a cook time. We've had Primo Grills for many years. We started with the junior, now we went to a large, and I think we were a little intimidated by just the sheer amount of time.
The grill performed as expected. I was impressed at how it really kept its temperature for that length of a cook. It was very, very impressive.
I thought cooking on the Primo Large was especially easy. It came up to temperature as expected. We dampened down the top and the bottom vents, and it was very rock steady in terms of little temperature fluctuation. When I woke up early the next morning, it was basically where I left it the night before. I was highly impressed. If you would like to see more Primo Grill content, please like and subscribe to this channel.